Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your flight with Delta Airlines, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Delta Airlines website. Log in to your Delta account using your credentials. Navigate to the My Trips section on the home page. Enter your confirmation number, last name, and the departure city if necessary. Click on the flight you wish to cancel. Review the details of your flight to ensure it is the correct booking. Look for the option to cancel your flight, usually found at the bottom of the flight details. Click on the Cancel Flight button. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Review any cancellation fees that may apply. If you have purchased a refundable ticket, verify if you are eligible for a full refund. Complete the cancellation process. You will receive a confirmation email regarding your flight cancellation. Check your email for any refund details if applicable. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting Delta customer service. Dial the customer service number provided on their website. Be prepared to provide your confirmation number and personal details for verification. Alternatively, you can also cancel your flight through the Delta mobile app. Open the app and log into your account. Access the My Trips section and follow similar steps to cancel your flight. Make sure to keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your cancellation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.